current situation in Pune is very critical. Till yesterday, which is 7th of April 2021, there are 84,000 active cases. So we are under a lockdown. How we are going to cope up with this and how our daily routine has got affected. That's what we are going to talk today. Hi friends, welcome to Maru India channel. Thank you very much for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing to my videos. And if you haven't done so far, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and join my channel. Right now, Pune is under a lockdown situation, whereas we are not supposed to go after evening 6 o'clock to next morning 6 o'clock. So during this period window, which is like morning 6 to evening 6 only, we are supposed to go out. So how we have adjusted and altered our exercise routine, so that's what we are going to talk today. So friends, if you have seen my previous videos, I have covered Jijao Brigade, how they were very energetic and how they used to do workout with a group. Now since we are not supposed to gather more than 4 people, doing this workout is really challenging. And not only Jijaos, also spine sprinters and PCMC runners, all the activities and events have been cancelled. Whatever it may be, health is very important. Now Swami will explain us what spine sprinters are doing from their side. And also please make a note that all these videos are shot by themselves, as we are really responsible citizens and we are respecting the social distancing norms.
Hi, today we are going to talk about a few things that we are doing during a lockdown. So a lockdown, as you know, is a situation where there are restrictions on moving out, there are curfews during night hours, and you're not allowed to go out at all times, do group runs or anything like that. The present situation here is there are a lot of cases coming up. There are major areas, clusters that have been classified as containment zones, and unfortunately the areas nearby where we normally do our rounds, our running or our external activities are still not conducive for us to go out. So in such cases, what do we do? Okay, so the mandate is the people who are above 45 should first go and get themselves vaccinated. That is paramount. Further, what we can do at home is we can follow our circuit training exercises. So these are basically a set of 15 exercises that are well curated. They last about 15 minutes per set. There's an app that we have in PCMC runners that you can use for it, or you can do it on your own. We also encourage people to do yogic exercises, pranayams, asanas at home to keep the mind and body fresh. People living in high-rise apartments can also do staircase climbing, obviously within their apartments, subject to not many cases being there. So you can climb up and down. Maybe if you are living in a 12-storied building, you can climb up and down about 6 times, 8 times. It's not as easy as you think it to be. Further, they also encourage people to strictly avoid group runs or any assembly of more than 2 or 3 people. But what you can do is, if you're not in a containment zone or if there are not too many cases in your vicinity, you can definitely wear a mask, carry a sanitizer, and go for a quick 25-minute run solo, right? No group runs allowed. This is also a good time to actually think about nutrition, right? So when you're at home, you can kind of read up on which are those superfoods that can boost your immunity. So things like turmeric, tulsi, ginger, these things are finding place again in our diet, okay? And we also kind of share these things across our groups. So we have a good ecosystem of self-help ecosystem. We have a couple of WhatsApp groups. We have a Facebook page, PCMC Runners, which you should definitely visit. So where there's a lot of content going back and forth, a lot of discussion going back and forth on fitness, on nutrition, on hydration, how to remain hydrated during these summer times. So these things play an overall part in shaping yourself during this lockdown, because it's more mental than physical. So yeah, the idea is to stay fresh, keep helping each other out, talk to each other, be in touch, of course virtually, with each other, and then wait for the time when these restrictions come off and we can again do our fun events together, the DKD and the PKP events that are kind of marquee event within PCMC runners. So the message is to stay indoors, stay safe, take care of your family, do your workouts at home in the different forms that we just now discussed. reach out for help. So again, that's another thing. So if some of our colleagues are down with corona as well, so we also virtually reach out for help. We also help. There are a couple of doctors in the group which help us in different ways. So it's more a time for us to now come together and share the synergies, or be together now, so that we as a family, we stay strong. For further updates, you must keep watching this channel. It gives you the best updates, and it is the best channel in the world. See you. Bye.
Thank you, Swami, for explaining us about the current situation and also what spine sprinters are doing. So, spine sprinters are doing something. What about Jijaus? Let's see what Jijaus are doing. First of all, Jijau has come up with a new virtual classes. Let's have a look.
Hello friends, so let's start today's Zumba session with warm-up exercise. See, after a warm-up exercise, we are going to start with few warm-up steps without the music and with music. Can you all hear me properly? अभी मैट पे थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेचिंग लेते हैं, फिर कुछ पेन वेन नहीं होगा दिन भर. Okay.
How was it? Somehow they are finding a way to come out with these problems, isn't it? So Vidya will explain you how she came up with this idea and why she is doing so. So Vidya, please explain us something about these sessions.
Hey, hi Asini. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So this thought of doing a virtual activity came across when I was talking to Chaya once after that strict lockdown was declared. So for me, like getting out of the house after 7 for a run or so was very difficult. And my problem is that I cannot do exercises alone. So for me, I was thinking like if we could do an activity together, so it would be better. Me and Chaya, we thought why not start yoga SG virtually with the girls also. So I thought maybe many of our girls may be facing the same issue. They won't be able to go out at 7 o'clock, maybe because of the hot sun or due to home activities. Because for ladies it's very difficult, right? We cannot go for a run, come back and take rest. So for them it is like they have to take care of the household activities as well. Till now we have completed almost 5 sessions. Today we have done 5th session and almost 10 to 12 ladies join us every day and they are having a very good time. So we are giving an opportunity, an alternative for women to stay indoor but at the same time stay fit.
It's just like this. 1, 2, 3. Hold. And then come back. 1, 2. And 4, 5. Hold. You can even do a push-up or something like that. Here. Come back. 1, 2, and
Thank you, Vidya, for sharing the details, and it's an exciting schedule for the entire week they have made up. So I'm going to show you some more small clips of how they are doing yoga, how they are doing strength training. Have a look.
6 and 7. अभी होल्ड करना है. होल्ड करते हुए आपको टोस या आप प्लेट के पास रखना एंड ट्राई टू कम डाउन. और जब जाओगे नीचे यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम योर टेल बोल. तो अभी यहाँ तो डायरेक्टली टच नहीं करते हैं. विल मेक फ्रंट रिपीटिंग एंड देन वी गो एंड टच. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
ठीक है, anyways, no problem. चलो फिर, thank you so much for joining. Bye.
Preeti Narayan, you all know her. She's the pioneer of this team. Let's see what she has to say about current situation.
Hi everyone, hi Asini. The situation in India and particularly in Maharashtra is not so good. We have increasing number of corona cases even in our community. So does this mean that we give up on taking care of our health? I guess not. In fact, Spine Sprinters and PCMC Running Group has proved otherwise. We are utilizing our indoor capabilities within our home, our staircase. People are doing staircase climbing, people are doing strength training like I'm doing plank. People are doing online sessions to conduct Zoom and yoga classes. So the spirit is on. Where there is a will, there is a way. So let us all focus on our health, get together virtually, stay away in terms of physical distancing, and make sure we are at the top of our health. Yeah? Jai Hind.
Thank you, Preeti. Yes, COVID has made us really apart, but we should not consider it as a hindrance to our daily routine. Why I am doing this video today? Because I am finding these ladies are very much enthusiastic and also finding somehow to do their job. I have seen so many classes, even in Vizag, there are Zumba classes, there are yoga classes, which is virtually happening. But with the payment, like you pay to the instructor half of the normal fees. But here, what they are doing, they are just going to get together because they can't do their workout at home alone. Isn't it incredible? They are doing it for a cause so that everyone will come up as a team and get opportunity and advantage out of this workout.
Living in apartments has its own problems, but one of the biggest advantages that people have found during the lockdown, especially, here you go. This is 12 stories of apartment staircase. That means you have 12 floors to climb up and down to do exercise all day, even if you can't step out of your home, right? So let me show you some of the things that I can do at my home. Where there is a will, there is a way.
jumping just कर लो.
I would not say much words anymore, but consider and take this video as a thought for your life to understand anything is possible if you really want to do. So then goodbye, catch you next week. Maru India always brings you exciting videos, so stay tuned with us. Next week we are going to make carrot milkshake. Thank you.